Menoteng na lomo. Diversity is beauty.
Yeah. Diversity is beauty. A warm welcome to everyone watching Monoteng Alomo. Today we are going to look into the Nyepo possessive adjectives. But before we continue, I would like to ask for your favor. Please like our channel and also you need to make sure that you subscribe so that next time you'll be able to come back. You also don't forget to comment so that we'll be able to improve wherever there is something which is not well explained. So that we serve you better. The possessive adjective is a word which expresses ownership. Example: William is my father. Example 2: Leon is my mother. In the Nyepo language, Miresi. If you want to say example, you say Miresi. So in the first one, we say William Amonye Leo. Number 2, Leon Mote New. In the above examples, the word my is what is called a possessive adjective. In English, we use the word my, whether for masculine or feminine. But in Nyepo, we use the feminine form of the possessive adjective if the gender of the adjective is feminine. If the gender of the possessed is masculine, we use the masculine form of the possessive adjective regardless of the gender of the possessor. In the above examples, you would use Leo in number 1 and Neo in number 2 because the gender of father is masculine and the gender of mother is feminine. Unlike in English, in the Nyepo language, the possessive adjective comes after the noun, meaning instead of my father, we say father of mine or father my. The first syllable of the possessive adjective has 3 functions in the Nyepo language. 1, to point to the gender of the noun possessed. 2, to point to the number of the nouns possessed, that's to say singular or plural. Number 3, it acts as a preposition, meaning of. For example, the word Leo means of mine or my, written together but cannot be separated. They go together as a compound word. How to recognize the gender of the Nyepo possessive adjectives? 1, if it starts with the letter L, it is masculine. If it starts with the letter N, it is feminine. If it starts with the letter K, it is plural and neutral in gender, except the third person plural possessed by masculine and feminine singular. The Nyepo possessive adjectives can best be explained using a table. So the table showing the Nyepo possessive adjectives using the word lowe, which means arrow, and dang, which means bow. Their plurals are lawyer and dangin respectively. Lowe is masculine while dang is feminine. So here in the first column, we have lowe then down. We have lower. So if you want to say my arrow, lower Leo. His arrow, you will say lower Lonyit. Or her arrow. Their arrow, you will say lower Losse. Lower Losse. Our arrow, you will say lower Likang. If you want to say your arrow, when referring to many people, you will say lower Losu. If you want to say your arrow when referring to one person, you will say lower late. Now in the second column we have the word dang. This means bow. So in the Nyepo language, the noun dang is feminine. So you will say dang nio if you want to say my bow. If you say her bow or his bow, you will say dang nanyit. If you want to say their bow, you will say dang nase. If you want to say our bow, you will say dang nikang. If you want to say your bow when referring to many people, you will say dang nasu. If you want to say your bow when referring to one person, you will say dang net. So in the third column we have lawyer or dangin. So here gender is not respected. You will say lawyer kue or dangin kue. If you want to say my arrows or my bows, lawyer kanyit or dangin kanyit. If you want to say my arrows or my bows, lawyer kase or dangin kase. If you want to say their arrows or their bows, lawyer kang or dangin kang. If you want to say our arrows or our bows, lawyer kaso or dangin kaso. If you want to say your bows or your arrows or your bows. So in the plural, if you're referring to many things, only the gender of the third person plural. If the many things you are talking of are owned by the third person, that is where the gender is respected. if the things to be possessed are masculine. That is to say, for example, lawyer, you will say lawyer kuluk. But if the things are feminine, for example, dangin, you will say dangin kunuk. So using the color code down each column, you can create so many sentences. Example, lowe lio kata. Number which means my arrow is there, or my arrow is present. So the word kata means there or present or exists. It exists. Number 2, lowe lonyit kata. His or her arrow is there. Number 3, lowe lose kata. Their arrow is there. Number 4, lowe likang kata. Our arrow is there. Number 5, lowe losu kata. Your arrow is there. So you need not to forget that when the possessive adjective begins with L, the noun is masculine. Now we are in number 5. Lowe losu kata. Your arrow is there when referring to many people. Number 6, lowe late kata. Your arrow is there when referring to one person. Number 7, dang nio kata. My bow is there. So we say nio here because dang is feminine. Number 8, dang nanyit kata. His or her bow is there. Number 9, dang nase kata. Their bow is there. Number 10, dang nikang kata. Our bow is there. Number 11, dang nasu kata. Your bow is there. Here when you are referring to many people. Number 12, dang nit kata. Your bow is there. Number 13, lawyer kwe kata. My arrows are there. Number 14, lawyer kanyit kata. His or her arrows are there. Number 15, lawyer kase kata. Their arrows are there. Number 16, lawyer kang kata. Our arrows are there. Number 17, lawyer kasu kata. Your arrows are there. Here when you are referring to many people. Number 18, lawyer kuluk kata. Your arrows are there when referring to one person owning many masculine things. Number 19, dangin kwe kata. My bows are there. Number 20, dangin kanyit kata. His or her bows are there. Number 21, dangin kase kata. Their bows are there. Number 22, dangin kang kata. Our bows are there. Number 23, dangin kasu kata. Your bows are there. Here, when you are referring to many people owning many things. Number 24, dangin kunak kata. Here, when you are referring to one person owning many feminine things. As we already know earlier that the possessive adjective must follow or must come after the noun. But there is another usage where the adjective, the possessive adjective, comes before the noun. Here, when you see the adjective, the possessive adjective coming after the noun, it means my own. It means own. You will add the word own to the adjective. For example, if you say lowe leo, if you say lowe leo, it means my arrow. It means my arrow. But if you say leo lowe, it means my own own arrow. So you need to master that. So this one applies to all the possessive adjectives. If you interchange, it will have another meaning. So before we end this presentation, please like our channel and again don't forget to subscribe so that you will be able to come back, and also give us a comment wherever you have not understood or you want anything to be added to this lesson or this program. Thank you very much. Tinate Duma.